Hi there, another day, another vlog. Once again, this is Louie Pagulayan, your ALS teacher. And this time, we're going to vlog about my other MCM bugs. The last time I had my cognac MCM, this time, my other MCM bugs. And I'll show them according to the day of my purchase, which is the first and the last purchase I did with my MCM. And first MCM that I bought is a Princess Lion. I think this is white. Ayan. This is 28 centimeter. The Princess Lion bag. I bought this from Glam Galleria. Okay, this MCM. This is my first MCM purchase, the white Princess Lion. And then the second one is this one and these are Korea, same with my first one. Korea din ito. As you can see, ayan, another doctor's bag in gray color. Korea ang brand. I know this MCM made in Korea. This is my second purchase from Mindanao. O, diba? Layo ng bag. Narating niya ang Cagayan Valley Region 2. Okay. And then, another bag from same seller is this black doctor's bag with gold hardware. I bought it also to her. This is my second bag MCM that I bought to her from Mindanao. Yoshi, I think. Yoshi. This is the third. And then, fourth purchase is from the Bella collection. Ayan. This is my fourth. It's a bucket bag. Leather ito. Brown. Ganda. Bucket siya. Ganyan. Diba? Bucket. Ang soft ng leather niya. This is bucket bag. This is my fifth MCM purchase. Ganda. And then, dahil maganda yung ano niya, this is beautiful leather. I saw one from another seller, same color. MCM din, ito siya. Pang 5. This is the fifth one, nagkasabay siya. Ayan. Ganyan. Same color. With the fourth one na bucket bag. It's chocolate brown. MCM with the silver hardware. This is my fifth MCM purchase. Ayan. Fifth. And then we have yung isa sa pinaka-pricey ko na MCM. I bought from Glam Galleria. It's the limited MCM. This one is one of the prettiest MCM I had. Oh, ang ganda. Ito yung sa seller, maraming nag-mine kay Glam and then they end up not buying it. So sabi ko, kasi type ko yan before pa ito. Type ko ito before pa. Sana hindi mabili. Sana hindi mabili. And praise God, sa akin napunta itong bag na to. This is a limited MCM. Malaki ito. Kasya ang 5 jowa. Char! Okay. So, sobrang laki at lapad mo. Yan. Ganda. This is my sixth MCM. And then, 7 and 8 sabay. I'll show it to you. 7 and 8. I bought in Polomolo, something ganun, Mindanao. The princess bag, ayan. 7 yung may tassel siya. Ayan, these are both 30. 30 centimeters. Yung isa may tassel, the other one wala. Ayan. Pero this one is more beautiful than this. May tassel. Mas bago to. Ayan. This is my 7 and 8 MCM bag. Princess Lion, I think ang tawag kasi meron siyang lion siya. Ayan. 8. 7 and the 8. Oh. Magkaiba naman siya ng color. Ayan. Ayan. 7 and 8. And then, the 9th one is nakita. The 9th is this one. Leather. Ito yung medyo lang, mura because meron siyang labas buto na dito sa isang side. That's why I bought it very cheap lang. But it's still an MCM. Cheap man yan. Meron man siyang worn. Pero the leather is still very durable and very good. This is my 9th MCM. And then, my 10th MCM is the only MCM I had. The Germany. Ayan. Parang siyang tote bag. Ito yung sinasabi kong Germany. The only Germany I had, yung kanyang plate is, nakita ko lang, remove ko lang ito. Ayan, if you can see. Yung plate niya, yan. Oh. Straight lang siya na ganyan. Ito pa pinahirapan. Ayan. That's the plate of Germany made MCM. Yung horizontal na ganyan. Ayan. Kasi yung MCM na Korea is square. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th MCM. This is my 10th MCM. Lagyan natin ng fillers para ma-maintain yung shape. Ayan. And then siya, kislak siya. Kislak lang. This is my 10th MCM. And my 11th MCM is the dumpling bag. Ito yung kasama ng isa kong cognac. It's a dumpling bag. This is my 11th MCM. Pag Korea, ganyan ang plate. Square. Ayan. This is my 11th MCM bag. Ayan. Ayan. Pinili ko ito sa YHG. Hindi siya pang shoulder. Pag malaki ang shoulder mo. This is my 11th bag. And then, the 12th bag is this one. Yung chocolate brown. Ito with lock and kiss. This one, wala naman siya. Hindi siya na-design with lock and kiss. Kasi ito ganyan ang design. May lock and kiss. Pag may ganyan. Nandito yung lock niya. And this one, zip lang talaga. Ay, puller niya, wala. Ito, may puller siya. Yan, kasama yung lock. And then may key. There's the key. And this is my 12 MCM. And that would be all for this day. My other MCM. Hope you will like it, and God bless everyone. Bye.